Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking and Craft Corner. In this video I have a surprise for you. I can't wait to reveal what I made with all this stuff. First of all, I had a blast doing it, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the red button and please like, comment, and subscribe and share this video. So these are some of the items that I used while I was making this particular item. Scissors and punches, and these little wooden ornaments here. And I used gesso. I have a canvas that I don't have with us right now, and texture paint, butterflies, and I got some lace and sequins, all assorted kinds of acrylic paints. I even have it in the tubes too that I was using. Obviously paint brushes and pearls I got over here, and little stains that I used watered down with liquid and cardboard. Cardstock ripped up, and I got different assorted laces besides the one over there I have. Use the heat gun to dry it. I have a stamp back here, and this is I love this stuff, micro powder, really cool stuff. I have it in all different colors down here. Designer paper, and then I kind of inked the edge with an ink pad. Yeah, all this stuff I used to create this. Yes, I had a lot of fun doing it. I hope you enjoy my reveal. Okay, so I took this 8.5 by 10 canvas, and this is what I get from it. Here's the reveal here, and I hope you enjoy looking at it. I use different techniques on all of this with all the equipment I showed you in the beginning of this video. These look kind of like a metal, but it's not. It's material that I made look kind of metal here. And then all the little wooden ornaments, I kind of painted them and decorated them. And you see just different layers of techniques. And on the side, we see little wood mushrooms. And I want to show you the sign I put. This right here says, "A happy memory never wears out." So I just thought it worked with my canvas that I wanted to do. And I want to show you on the side what it looks like. These are the punches, the leaf punches, and I painted on both sides 2 tones of gold paint, acrylic paint, with a gold micro powder, and glued them all and kind of wrinkled them up so they look like they're older leaves that have just fallen off the trees. And I did it all the way around my frame. And as you can see, there's texture right in here underneath that I use stencils for, and actually took some of the designer paper that's got music on it, bright brushed all along the sides of it and everything. And this is the cardboard that I use. So save your cardboard from boxes. It comes in really handy for all this crafts. And then there's lace that I kind of stiffened up here with the gesso before I put it on. And these are die cuts. This was a die cut, and that's the cat punch that you saw earlier in the video. And like I said, this has been, it takes a couple coats. That's why I couldn't film it. It would take too long to actually do it live for you, the whole thing. Because this took like days to do these butterflies, to put them on. And then I glued them on and fastened them. Then I took a nice acrylic spray and sprayed it and sealed it all over. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for stopping in. I shall see you soon. Bye for now.